Hello there, my friends. So this is the 2026 Hyundai Tucson Limited Hybrid, the most expensive Tucson you can buy. And it doesn't work because this display cluster doesn't work. They said it's a software update. They've tried 3 times to fix it. They even replaced this whole panel and it didn't work. And now I have a heads-up display that does not exist anymore. And the settings say cluster instead of cluster/heads-up. And it's been alternating between saying cluster and cluster heads up for the last like week or so since I got it back from the dealership. And sometimes it will say it, sometimes it won't. So something's obviously going on with the software. Either they're trying to update the software remotely because otherwise why would it do that? Or there's 2 different softwares that are loading at different times, or I don't know. Somebody tell me what's going on, because the dealership doesn't seem to want to tell me what's going on. And I can't get an appointment until August 17th, and today is July 4th. So does this seem fair to you? Brand new car. Now, I know I sound like I'm complaining, but does it really seem fair? And then I got an automated email from the service manager. Oh, I can't wait to like show you guys the email when I reply to that email. And I'm going to be very civil, but I'm also going to say, do you think this is fair? Is this something that you would tolerate if you bought a car that was brand new, that you're paying X amount of dollars for a month and you can't use because it's not safe? So I hope you guys have a great day out there. I hope you guys aren't having this problem. And if you have this problem and it's been fixed, please tell me that, because it seems like even though there's been a national recall on 2005, 2006 Hyundai Tucsons, it doesn't seem like they're ready to fix them yet, because they tried and failed just this week. So have a great day out there, and try to keep cool in more ways than one, as I do as well. See you in the comments. Take care.